Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Shashank, and today in this video we are going to learn introduction to the OS, that is operating system and internet. So from this day on we are going to start a one stack. So let's start with the fundamentals. Coming to the introduction to the operating system and internet, the most common words used in tech. PDF that I am going to present you, it is in handwritten notes by me. So I am going to give the link to the PDF in my description. Please go to the description and find the handwritten notes. So today in this topic we are going to learn about the operating system and internet. It's all about the most common words used in the tech. The first, before starting any course, we need to have an observation skill. So observation skill is an important skill. Like it is used for questioning, and you need to observe something and you need to question. For example, there is a table. On the table there is an suppose there is a glass and a spoon. If you move spoon to edge of the table, spoon will fall automatically. If you move glass to the edge of the table, the glass will fall automatically. It's like a pattern. Everything you move to the edge of the table, it falls to the ground. This is the pattern, and through this pattern, we need to ask the questions. Like, for example, coming to our tech stack, if we open the Amazon app, it shows different types of products, their prices. Do you know from where they will come? If you click on a product, it goes to the product price, reviews, and all. Do you know how they will appear in front of you when you click on that? We are going to discuss this in this video. I know that you all have heard about software and hardware. What is software and what is hardware? So, soft means easy, hard means difficult, ware means functionality. So, software means easy to change functionality, where hardware is difficult to change functionality. Coming to software, software is a set of instructions to the hardware. It tells the software tells the hardware to do the so the coming to the hardware, hardware performs the work that was given by the software instructions. This is about software and hardware. Okay, next move on to the operating system. I have drawn the diagram also as an example. Coming to operating system is like a boss of the hardware. It is between the software and the hardware. It acts as a mediator. So operating system is the main software that makes other softwares work with the hardware, and it is the interface between the software and hardware. Here you can see this is software and this is operating system. This is hardware. The operating system, there are different types of operating system. We have heard about I know you have heard about iOS operating system in Apple and Windows in your desktop. These are the different types of operating systems. The computer operating systems are Windows, Ubuntu, MacOS. So mobile operating systems are, there are two types of operating systems in mobile: Android 11 and iOS 13. iOS 13 is used in Apple phones, where Android 11 is used in all the Android applications. So this is about the operating system. It's like a mediator between the software and hardware. It takes the operating system takes the request from the software and sends it to the hardware, and the hardware gives the response to the operating system, and operating system gives the response to the application, whatever the user are using and whatever the user wants. This is about the operating system. So we all have the question that how we are going getting their products, their prices. while using the Amazon? The simple answer is networking. What is a network? A network is used to connect one device to another device. Like, for example, you have WhatsApp. Your you send your message from your account to your friend's account. The to your phone and your friend's phone is connected with a network. This network consists of a package. These packets carry the data that you have that you want to send from your mobile to your friend's mobile. So the networks have different types of networks. There are two types of networks: private network and public network. What is a private network? A private network will be accessible by only authorized person. It is limited to that person only. So public network is also called as internet because internet is everywhere in this world. We are connected with internet. So it is called as public network. Public network is just like an imagine a national highways connecting from states. It connects to everyone, every states in the world. The national highway connects from one state to another state, and likewise, the internet connects from one country to another country, states, everywhere. It connects throughout the world. This is about the internet. An internet is a computer network that interconnects billions of computing devices. An internet is a computer network that interconnects billions of computing devices throughout the world. This is all about networking and internet. So let's understand the similarities to easily understand internet. What how the data is transferred from one person to another person. Let's take an example, real time example: roads, trucks. So here I have drawn a table with a real time example: roads and trucks. Here, roads and trucks. Cargo. Cargo means the package which the trucks are delivering. In sense of roads, it is cargo. In sense of our network, internet, it is data. Where trucks refers to the packets. Trucks takes the cargo from one place to another place. Likewise, packets carry the data from one place to another. Only one truck cannot carry all the cargo, so it needs different types of trucks. Likewise, the packets cannot carry entire data, so the packets are divided into small parts, and it carries from one place to another place. Coming to the junctions, so you have all heard about routers. What are routers? Routers is like a junction. If a truck goes to a junction, uh, it 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 either goes to left or right. Likewise, routers help the packets, tells the packets that if it needs to go right, or it needs to go left, straight, etc. That's how the routers work. So routes is like a road. We have roads, just like there are roads in the network. There are multiple paths. There are multiple roads. Traffic in our daily life, there is much traffic in our Hyderabad, as we all know. But what is traffic in network? Just like in our real life, there will be traffic in the network also. All the packets, if the all the packets go through the same routes, there will be a congestion. There will be a traffic. So this is called as traffic or congestion in the networking scenario. Let's know about what is clients and servers. Clients and servers. Uh, a client requests the server. A server gives the takes the request from the client and gives the response to the client. Every client and server connects with a network, public network, which is also known as internet. every client and server connects with an internet. If you search for Amazon.in, the server understands and sends a response like products and prices. If you go through Flipkart, if you press on a product, the product sends the Amazon sends request to the server, and the server sends receives that request and sends a response to the client. We here in the sense the client is Amazon. So the Amazon shows up its products and prices in wherever we click. If we click on prices, it shows prices. If we click on categories, it shows categories. Just like the Amazon acts as a client, it has a server in it, and Amazon sends a request to the server, and the server takes the request and gives a response to the Amazon. And do you know where are who are these clients? Like from where we can send the request from clients to the server through browsers. Browsers are known as browsers. There are different types of browsers. Chrome, Edge. We use Edge in our Windows operating system. We use Chrome for Google. These browsers are used to send requests to the servers. So this is about operating systems and network. Let's revise what we have learned. We have learned about software and hardware. Software is an easy to change functionality, where hardware is an difficult to change functionality. Operating system is the boss of the hardware, which tells the hardware to do work and gives the instructions to the hardware to do what it needs to do. And different types of operating systems, computer operating systems, Windows 11, Ubuntu, macOS, mobile operating system, Android 11, iOS. And we have learned about network. Network consists of data, packets, routers, routes, junctions, uh, traffic. So there are different types of networks, private network, public network. Public network is also known as internet. And we have learned about the similarities between roads and internet. And what is a client and a server? A client gives the request to the server. A server takes the request from the client and gives the response to the client. So this is all about today. This is all about the operate introduction to the operating systems and networks. I hope this video is useful to you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.